Today we're looking at algebraic fractions. So this is the easier part, so I'm going to be making a part 2 on the more difficult questions. So whenever we're asked to simplify fully an algebraic fraction, most of the time the first step is to be able to factorize the numerator and the denominator if possible, and then we're going to cancel out the term which is present on the top and the bottom, and that will be our answer. So let's factorize x squared plus 5x. We know x is common in both of the numbers, so what do we multiply x by to give x squared? We know is x. And then what do we multiply x by to make 5x? We know is positive 5. Then we put that over something. We now need to factor out x squared plus 7x plus 10. That's factorizing quadratics. So if you don't know how to do that, if you go to my TikTok page, there should be another TikTok on factorizing quadratics. So two numbers that multiply to make 10 and add to make 7. We know it's x plus 5 and x plus 2. We then cancel out x plus 5 and x plus 5 because, again, they're present in the numerator and the denominator. So our answer is x over x plus 2. Now, the second question is the same concept. We need to factorize the numerator and the denominator, find the two common terms, cancel them out, and we have our answer. So, factorize x squared minus x minus 12. So two numbers which add to make minus 1 and multiply to make minus 12. So we know that's x minus 4, x plus 3. And then we need to factorize x squared minus 9x plus 20. So two numbers which multiply to make positive 20 and add to make minus 9. We know it's x minus 4, x minus 5. And we can see that x minus 4 and x minus 4 is both present in the numerator and the denominator. So we cancel them out and we're left with the answer x plus 3, x minus 5. And there we have it. We've simplified the following algebraic fraction. So this is part 2 where we look at the more complicated questions. So we're being asked to simplify fully 3x plus 6 over x minus 4 divided by 2x squared plus 9x plus 10 over x squared minus 4x. So again, the first step, like always, is that we need to first factorize our denominator and our numerator. So as you can see, I factorized 3x plus 6 into 3 brackets x plus 2, and x minus 4 can't be factorized, so I kept it the same. Then using my rules, when I apply to Kcf, which is keep, change, and flip, which we use when dividing, I changed the sign from divide to times, and then I flipped our fraction, our last fraction, and then I factorized it. So x squared minus 4x can be factorized to x brackets x minus 4 and 2x squared plus 9x plus 10. It's a tricky factorization, but on the right hand side, you can see how I've worked it out. All I did was multiply the coefficient, which is 2, by 10, which gives me 20. Find two factors which add to make 9 and multiply to make 20. I then replace them in our equation, and then as you can see, I split the equation into 2x squared plus 4x and 5x plus 10, and then I factorized it and got my two results. Then now we can see is that we got 3 brackets x plus 2 over x minus 4 multiplied by x brackets x minus 4 over 2x plus 5 x plus 2. Now we can see that x plus 2 and x plus 2 is present, so then when we cross multiply, they will cancel out. So x plus 2 and x plus 2 cancel out. Same thing that goes on with x minus 4. When we cross multiply, they will cancel out. So we cancel them all out. And then once we've cancelled them out, we can now multiply. We're left with 3 multiplied by x, which is 3x, and 1 multiplied by 2x plus 5, which is 2x plus 5. And there we have it. We have successfully been able to divide algebraic fractions.